Bitcoin price crossed $48,000 on February 9, but weekend activities from derivatives traders suggest that more action will follow in the coming days. The total capital stock in the BTC futures markets has crossed the recent peak recorded during the spot ETF approval euphoria on January 11, sparking optimism that BTC price could soon follow suit. The spot ETF approval on January 11th has increased public interest in BTC as a legitimate asset class, leading to a flurry of institutions allocating a significant chunk of critical act their portfolio to acquiring BTC in recent weeks. However, vital market trends show Bitcoin derivatives markets have witnessed a more significant influx of capital. CoinGlass's open interest metric tracks real-time changes in total capital stock invested in BTC perpetual futures markets. BTC open interest hit a milestone on February 12th, crossing the $21.8 billion mark, its highest since March 2022. And a closer look at the chart shows that BTC-OI has already increased by $4.5 billion so far February 2024. And interestingly, this 25% jump in OI between February 1 and February 12 has now outpaced the BTC spot price, which has only grown 15% from $41,860 of $48,820 during that period. Typically, such a rapid growth in OI is a prime signal that the market is welcoming new participants injecting fresh capital inflows. But when the OI growth, the capital outpaces spot prices, it can be a bullish signal for a number of reasons. Firstly, it indicates a sense of urgency among traders who are looking to quickly capitalize on the current dominant bullish sentiment in the market. And secondly, the robust interest from traders and investors signals confidence in the BTC's fundamental drivers with respect to the prevailing macroeconomic conditions. At the time of writing on February 12th, BTC is currently trading at $47,800. The last time BTC open interest reached its current $22 billion mark, spot prices were well above the $50,000 range. Hence, with BTC price currently undervalued relative to the capital inflows into the derivatives markets, a bullish attempt at reclaiming the $50,000 target could be in play in the coming days. However, as observed in recent weeks, BTC bulls face significant resistance at the $48,900 territory. Into the Block's global in-out-of-the-money data shows that 3.3 million addresses had acquired 1.2 million BTC at the minimum price of $48,915, considering that they've been holding at once a loss for nearly 3 years. A large number of those investors could exit once prices approach their break-even point. If the bulls can scale that sell wall, a retest of the $50,000 territory could be on the cards as predicted. On the flip side, the bears could regain foothold if they can force a major downswing below $40,000, but that seems far-fetched considering the looming support buy wall at $42,000. At that zone, 6.7 million addresses that acquired 3.01 million BTC at the average price of $42,047 could make frantic covering purchases to avoid slipping into a net loss position.